Planning your next ski trip but worried about damaging your expensive gear on the drive up? Or maybe you're tired of cramming boards inside your car, fighting for space with your friends and all that wet snow. A quality snowboard roof rack solves both problems. But here's the thing, not all racks are created equal. I've spent weeks researching and comparing the top options available right now, and I'm breaking down the 5 best snowboard roof racks you can buy today. So let's dive in. Number 1. Thule SnowPack Ski Snowboard Rack. Let's kick things off with the gold standard, the Thule SnowPack. If you've been in the ski community for any length of time, you've probably seen these on the highway. There's a reason Thule dominates this market. The SnowPack holds between 4 to 6 snowboards or 2 to 4 pairs of skis, depending on your configuration. What immediately stands out? The build quality. This thing feels solid the moment you take it out of the box. The low-profile aerodynamic design isn't just for looks either. It genuinely reduces wind noise and drag, which means you're not listening to that annoying whistle for 3 hours on your way to the mountain. Installation is completely tool-free, and it fits round, square, and aerodynamic crossbars universally. I appreciate that Thule doesn't make you fumble with adapters or additional hardware. The integrated lock system is another major plus. You're locking both your rack to your crossbars and your gear to the rack, all with the same key. No multiple keys to keep track of when you're already juggling lodge passes and car keys. Now, here's what you need to consider. The Thule SnowPack is expensive. You're looking at premium pricing. And for casual riders who only hit the slopes a few times per season, that investment might feel excessive. But if you're serious about skiing or snowboarding and plan to use this rack for years, the durability justifies the cost. This is genuinely a buy-it-for-life product. Check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Coming in at number 2 is a newer player that's making serious waves, the Bouge RV lockable ski and snowboard rack. The standout feature here is the sliding extension mechanism. The rack extends outward away from your vehicle, making loading and unloading dramatically easier. If you've ever owned a tall SUV or truck, you know the struggle of reaching over your roof to position skis correctly. With the Bouge RV, you just slide the tray out, load your gear while it's at a comfortable height, then slide it back and lock it down. Genius design. It holds 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards with a 28-inch loading width. The crab mounting system is universally compatible with square, arrow, oval, and round crossbars, so you're not limited by your existing roof rack setup. The anti-theft lock system secures everything with a single key, and the oversized button works perfectly even when you're wearing thick winter gloves. The aluminum frame with ultra-soft hollow rubber bars is designed to stay flexible even in freezing temperatures, which is crucial. I've used cheaper racks where the rubber basically turned into hard plastic in the cold, and they scratched my boards. Here's the consideration. While the sliding mechanism is innovative, it does add moving parts. More moving parts means more potential points of failure over time, especially if you're using this in harsh winter conditions with road salt and ice. That said, the 12-month tech support included gives you some peace of mind. The Bouge RV offers premium features at a mid-range price point. For the versatility alone, it's worth serious consideration. Link is in the description. At number 3, we're diving into budget-friendly territory with the Leader Accessories Car Ski Snowboard Roof Racks. You're getting a 2-pack here that holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards with a 26-inch internal length. What impressed me most is the metal hook lock system and mounting brackets. A lot of budget racks use plastic components that crack in cold weather, but Leader Accessories went with metal construction, which means better durability for the price. The large push-button design works great with gloves, and the ultra-soft rubber grip stays flexible even at 40 degrees below zero. Installation is completely tool-free, thanks to the wing nut system. You can have these mounted in minutes without digging through your toolbox. Now, the important consideration, these do not fit round crossbars. They're designed for square and most factory crossbars or thicker crossbars. Before you buy, double-check what type of crossbars you have. This is the #1 reason people return these, so save yourself the hassle and verify compatibility first. At around $60 to $80 for 2 racks, this is exceptional value if your crossbars are compatible. You're getting metal construction and lockable security at a price point where competitors are still using plastic. Check the description for the link. Number 4 is another budget option that surprised me with its real-world performance, the Vevor Ski and Snowboard Roof Rack. This is a 2-pack that holds up to 4 pairs of skis or 2 snowboards per rack with a combined max load of 165 pounds. The aluminum alloy frame resists cold, corrosion, rust, and cracking, which is exactly what you need for winter equipment that's exposed to the elements constantly. The semi-cylindrical aerodynamic design actually works. One tester reported 0 rattling even at 90 miles per hour on the interstate, which is genuinely impressive for a rack at this price point. The thick rubber padding protects your gear, with cushioning on both top and bottom, and installation takes about 12 minutes with straightforward instructions. What really stands out? The value proposition. You're getting reliable performance, anti-theft locks, and tool-free setup for around $80. That's legitimately hard to beat. Here's what you need to know before buying. This rack uses T-slot hardware designed specifically for slotted crossbars. If your crossbars don't have T-slots, this won't work for you. It's not a universal clamp-style system. Also, while the performance is great for the price, this is best suited for casual riders doing 5 to 10 days per season. If you're a frequent rider with expensive gear, you might want to invest more for premium protection. But for beginners or anyone who wants functional performance without premium features, the Vevor delivers. It's proven itself in real-world testing, and the price makes it accessible. Link in the description. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the absolute premium option, the Kuat Grip 6 Snowboards Rack. The Grip 6 holds up to 6 pairs of large skis or 4 snowboards with a max weight of 165 pounds. But capacity isn't what makes this special. It's the revolutionary slide-out tray that extends 2 feet past the edge of your vehicle. Loading becomes effortless because you're pulling the tray towards you, loading gear at a comfortable height, then sliding it back and clamping down. If you're shorter or you have a tall SUV, this feature alone is worth the investment. The grip lock rubber teeth are brilliant. Instead of continuous rubber that bows out with mixed loads, you get individual teeth that wrap each ski or snowboard precisely. This means a combination of 2 snowboards and 1 pair of skis gets a perfect custom fit. The premium metallic powder coat finish looks incredible, and there is 0 plastic components to fade in the sun. This thing is built like Kuat's renowned bike racks, with materials designed to last decades, not seasons. The dual lock system includes both keyless clip locks for quick security and keyed locks for full protection. And the one-touch opening mechanism with the large handle makes operation smooth even with gloves. Here's the consideration. At around $400 to $500, this is a significant investment. You're paying premium prices for premium features. Also, if you're on the shorter side, closing the rack when fully loaded with 6 pairs might require some effort, though taller users report no issues. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.